Margaret, the South is in a dire situation tonight. Georgia set a new record for daily cases today. Atlanta tonight is going to announce a rollback to phase 1, asking people to stay at home. And the governor is going to reopen a hospital there, a temporary makeshift hospital. And here in Houston, you can't get a COVID test right now. All of the testing centers were shut down at noon today due to extreme heat.
It's an agonizing scene on replay in ICUs all across the country. Critically ill coronavirus patients straddling the line between life and death. States like Texas now facing their deadliest week. The governor has extended his disaster declaration in response. The toll predicted in hard-hit Hidalgo County.
The community overall has not taken this virus seriously. In short, the tsunami is here.
Dr. Gary Meny is facing down disaster in Port Arthur, east of Houston, where COVID patients have tripled and staff is overwhelmed.
Now we're seeing young people, 30s, 20s, 40s, 50s, 60s on up.
Texas was among the first states to reopen, and despite the explosion of cases, the governor says he's not planning to shut down again. The top official in Harris County sounding the alarm.
If we don't do anything before schools reopen, we'll be opening the door to a huge fire. It's a forest fire. We don't know where it ends.
Houston Chronicle publishing an editorial saying Abbott didn't listen to coronavirus warnings and Texans died. Now a dire warning from the governor himself.
I think the numbers are going to look worse as we go into next week.
The numbers are worse in Florida. Nearly another single-day high of more than 11,000 new cases, and more are testing positive. South Florida's Miami-Dade has seen a staggering daily positivity rate of 33%. Tonight, Arizona has emerged as the newest hotspot, leading the country in the number of new cases. More than 1 in 4 people testing positive. Look at how average new cases in Arizona compare to New York, where cases have declined. But there are new findings tonight on the benefits of the antiviral drug remdesivir. Its manufacturer saying it cut the risk of death for sick patients 62% compared to standard care.
It's blown out of proportion until you're the person laying in CCU who has no contact with anybody and you're helpless.
Janet Shamlian, CBS News, Houston.